Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another day in my life. But today we're staying super productive. I have an entire itinerary that I made for myself this morning so that way I know what I need to get done today and I can just stay on track. That helps me so much, especially as a girl with ADHD. Okay, she's high functioning, but she definitely has it, and I definitely do get distracted. A quick little brief interruption because I have something very important to share with you guys. If you or someone else that you know struggles with ADHD, then please listen up. I was personally diagnosed with ADHD whenever I was really young, and my parents almost immediately noticed the downsides that came with me taking a stimulant. It almost stripped my personality from me, and my parents were like, that's not gonna fly. Now, stimulants can be so beneficial, but they do include some of those downsides that just are not really fun to deal with. And that is where my friend Stasis comes into play. If you guys don't know, Stasis is a supplement system that is designed to kind of address the predictable downsides that come along with taking a daily stimulant. Some of those predictable factors could be anything from crashes, jitters, or even sleepless nights. It is a two-step system. So we have a daytime one, and this is basically going to help you kind of navigate that roller coaster throughout the day. So your mood is a lot more balanced, your focus is a lot more steady, and just overall helps you get through your day. And then we have the nighttime supplement. This one is going to help you unwind, replenish your body, and help you for a better night's rest whenever you're coming off of that stimulant. If you personally struggle with the downsides of stimulant use, or you know someone around you that struggles with it, then I will have the QR code on my screen where you guys can go to check out Stasis today, or even check out the ingredient list and see how beneficial some of those ingredients can be for you. I'll also have that link in my description box down below for you guys as well, but I really wish I would have known about this sooner. And now it's making me kind of think like, should I get back on my stimulant now that I have Stasis? We have Mama's here. She was literally so pissed off at me this morning, you guys, because she was super hungry. I'm low-key trying to put her on kind of somewhat of a diet just because I think she's getting a little too chunky. But nonetheless, I just did a Bible study this morning. It is currently 8:41. I decided to do a little solo Bible study just because I am recently getting into my first Bible study group, and we're going over Ecclesiastes. I'm still struggling to say that. I don't know how to say it. Lately, I've definitely been going through a lot of emotions, and it's really been making me lean into God. I mean, I just recently left my job at Hooters. I'm kind of going through just some emotional and relationship kind of changes, I guess you could say. It's definitely just been weighing on me really heavily. So I've been leaning into my relationship with Christ a lot more, and I'm really grateful for that. I've been seeing the fruit come from it, but it's still a journey that I am fairly new to, and I will say that until, I don't know, a part of me feels comfortable, and I don't know if I'll ever really fully feel comfortable within my faith, because it's just something that, although I'm striving to have a better relationship with, I still do kind of struggle in that department. So for me, the way that I can like get over that hump is just by pouring into it every day, showing up every day, talking to him every day, and I think slowly over time, it's going to start clicking for me, and it's going to start feeling a lot more comfortable, if that makes sense. It's just been a time of testing my faith for real and putting me in the waiting season because I just have no clue what I'm doing. But I know I'm not going to give up on myself. I know he's not going to give up on me. So it's just kind of, like I said, a waiting season for myself. But I was studying chapter 3 today, and a lot of what I learned is that God really just loves us all equally. He doesn't love the righteous any more than he loves the wicked. He cares about us all in the same way because ultimately we all do have the same fate. Sounds kind of morbid, but we're all going to die. He still ultimately is going to bring judgment to the righteous. He's going to bring judgment to the wicked. So no matter how righteous you are, no matter how faithful you are still going to be brought judgment. And I think that kind of like calms me in a sense, because it doesn't matter how good you are, how faithful you are, how much you don't sin. There's no way to be perfect. Like we're human. We're literally all gonna sin, okay? Anyways, that was my little Bible study this morning.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Now we mic'd up, y'all. What the heck? Wait, you did outwards, right? Or you did forwards? Okay. That feels more comfortable. I just was making sure. Y'all, Justin's coaching me today at the gym. We kind of rerouted. I was supposed to go to my gym, 4 sets of 8. Originally, I was actually gonna go to my gym. Then Justin was going to the gym and I was on the phone with Dwayne. So I decided to come to the gym with him. Plus his gym is way, way cooler and definitely more motivating. We're at Amped Fitness here in Mesquite, Texas, by the way. Okay, y'all, I'm adding 5 pounds for my last set. Let's do this. I think I'm gonna switch my grip too. Oh, yeah, this definitely feels heavier. Holy fuck. I'm doing 8. 3. Oh my god, y'all, I'm shaking. Oh, 9, fuck. I didn't even get to do the last one. I'm dying. This is only the first workout, mind you. I'm gonna be walking out of here with noodles. I will say my calves are like so weak, like they're literally jello.
We don't feel the strength, then we now get to get it.
I felt it, girl. I felt it down. It's now 12:36 and I just pulled up to Aldi's. I'm really just gonna run in here real quick just to pick up some ground beef. I'm gonna make some ground beef and white rice whenever I get home, so I just need some ground beef. That's literally, we're gonna try to make this as quick as possible. I do want to do some studying today for this module that I'm trying to learn. More to come on that soon, you guys. It should be an opportunity for not only myself but also for you guys to join in on. I just kind of want to learn a little bit more about it before I'm like pushing it out to the masses, but I need to study for that and just kind of watch some videos, and then I also need to clean my apartment and film some little clips for this apartment tour that I'm going to be doing. That should actually be out tomorrow. Today is currently the 14th, so that should be out on the 15th. So by the time you guys are seeing this video, it's already up on my page. So if you guys want to go check out my apartment tour, y'all know where it's at. We're about to make the easiest meal literally on planet Earth. I do have some Brussels sprouts, so I think I'm gonna try to add those into this meal somehow, some way. I'm not a huge Brussels sprout person though, so hopefully they're good. I just feel like I needed some sort of like vegetable in there. This meal is super quick and super simple though. I'll walk y'all through it while I do it, but I promise you it's the easiest thing. It's 111, y'all. That's a good sign. The angels are protecting us today. We're doing 4 minutes for those. Now let's make our ground beef. Gonna add just a little bit of olive oil to my pan, not too much. Gonna go ahead and add this to my pan. I'm gonna let this kind of cook down a little bit before I start adding seasonings or anything, because this will have a lot of liquid that comes out. So we're gonna soak up that excess juice before we start seasoning. I just finished making my ground beef. I just added in some minced garlic to this, soy sauce, some honey sriracha, salt, pepper, and then I didn't show you guys, but I also put in a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. I poured the Brussels sprouts into this bowl a little bit ago just so that way they could kind of cool down. We're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, some soy sauce. I used the Trader Joe's one. This honey sriracha, if you've never tried this, you need to try it. I love putting this with a little bit of QP mayo on like soup dumplings, regular dumplings, my ground beef and rice. It's just so freaking good, and it's not super spicy either. Pinch of salt, just a little bit. I do like my stuff salty though. We're gonna do some pepper. We got a little bit of onion powder, some garlic powder, and we're just gonna mix. Okay, they're not air fried yet, but they look fantastic. I set my air fryer to 415, and I'm gonna put this in here for about 10 minutes. in the meantime, while I wait for my Brussels sprouts to be done, I haven't done my rice yet. We'll do that here in a little bit, but I'm gonna take my daily vitamins. So don't take anything too crazy, but I do take a little multivitamin. I got this one from Aldi, and then I take a little probiotic for the girls. If you're not taking one of these as a woman, you need to be, I promise you. It just helps so much in so many different categories, like preventing infections, preventing your pH from getting off balance, especially if you're sexually active. I highly, highly recommend taking a probiotic. Honestly, even if you're not. And then we just pop these in. These are so good, by the way. On top of that, I have my ice water right here. We're gonna do a little chlorophyll and electrolyte mix. These are just like the great value ones. They're so cheap. I think it's like less than $1 for a box of them. I like those. And then I got this liquid chlorophyll from an Herb Mart that is here. If you live in the Mesquite area, it's just look up Herb Mart, and I think that's what it's called. I just kind of eyeball this. I pour a little bit. You don't need too much. I mean, do it on your liking. I actually like the way it tastes. It's just slightly watered down mint flavoring, and then mixed with the electrolyte, it kind of helps so it's not like super minty. But chlorophyll, you guys, is really good for a natural body deodorizer. So it deodorizes your body within. So if you have stinky breath, stinky pits, stinky anything else, it's really good to take this every single day or to drink this every single day. They also have like chlorophyll pills, but I feel like I've prefaced this so many times in my videos. My biggest freaking fear is someone ever telling me that I smell bad or me just smelling bad. I'm super hypersensitive to smell, and that's why I'm like, anything I can take to make me feel like I'm preventing myself from stinking in any sort of scenario, I'm gonna do it. We can finally plate up this masterpiece, y'all. We're gonna do a layer of white rice, then we're gonna add in some ground beef, and then lastly I have my Brussels sprouts. I think I might have cooked these for a little too long because they are a wee bit crispy. Then to finish it off, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some of this honey sriracha on top. I also have some QP mayo that I'm gonna add on top as well. Super simple but super yummy. Yo, why did that take me so freaking long? It's 5 o'clock now. I was supposed to be done with that by like 2. I kind of just went into a deep dive of trying to set up my storefront. Basically, what I've been doing, I actually purchased this online program. It's like a program, but I would say it's more of like an online school than it is a program more so. I haven't even like resold the course myself, but that's one way that you can make money is by reselling the course. And then on top of that, you can go in and it'll give you so much knowledge about like UCG content, UGC content, drop shipping, if you want to do Amazon affiliate. Like there's literally over 20 plus ways on there, and it gives you so much information. The program never expires. You always have access to it, and there's literally like a live chat. They have a Telegram chat. If you get the program that I personally bought, it also comes in with this like income thing, which I'm still learning everything. Like I said, I'm fairly new to it. I just signed up. It's called the Income Stream Society. So that is like a little bit cheaper than what I personally purchased, but the Income Stream Society has like different UGC bids on there. So like it literally gives you deals or like potential campaigns that you could sign up for and apply for, and just like mentorship, etc, etc. So you could get that program, shall I say, if you wanted to, for cheaper than the one that I personally got. But if you get the one that I got, then you can have access to both of those. And like I said, it never runs out. You literally have a live chat. They do Zoom calls every single week, multiple times a week at that, to kind of share testimonies, to share knowledge, to help you learn and grow. And so I'm still in the very much learning stages of it, but if you guys are interested, I will put my link down below. I haven't even resold the course, and here I am shouting it out. Like obviously I'm gonna put my link down below. So even though I haven't even sold a course, there's so much knowledge that I've already taken in. And like when it comes to like drop shipping, that's an idea that I already had before I was ever a part of this course. Or when it comes to reselling on Amazon, they also have like Printify, where you make your own product. You don't even have to worry about selling it. Like there's so many ideas that we hear online every single day, and it's like we're just fed all this content. But with this course, you're actually fed the knowledge of like how to go about making it real and making it real income for yourself. So yeah, like I said, I'll have the link down below if you guys want to try it, but I'm still in my learning stages, so I completely understand if you don't. Once I get a little bit more knowledge on it, then I will feel more confident in telling y'all like, hey, go purchase this, blah, blah, blah. Anywho, anyway, I got out the shower. I'm actually going to do my little nighttime routine real quick. I'm doing it a little bit early because I'm actually going to go to a friend's house and edit. So right after I get done doing my little nighttime routine, which is so easy. These are literally the only 2 hair products that I've been using recently. recently. I'm gonna clean up my apartment real quick, just like some light little pickup, and I'm gonna take some B-roll footage for my apartment tour because I need to finish editing that video. I have like bulk majority of the video edited. I just need to go in and, like I said, add the B-roll footage, do like the intro, and then layer music, text, effects, all of the things. But I am gonna drive over to my friend's apartment to edit just because I want to, and they have a way better like business lounge than I do. My business lounge is just like, there's not a lot of windows or anything, so it's not as motivating, and I've been sitting inside all day, so I just want to go somewhere where I'll really like lock in and focus. I ended up just editing for the rest of the evening and then calling it a night, but I did want to say a big thank you to you guys for tuning in each week or in every video that I post. It truly does mean the world to me, and without you guys' support, I would not be able to do this and continue doing it for as long as I have. So a big thank you to y'all. But if you did like this video, please give it a like, comment down below your favorite part, and I'll be responding to all of those comments, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!